In this video, I'll show you how to request a refund for a Steam game step by step. Subscribe and let's start. First, open the Steam app on your computer. At the top right, click your account name and choose Account Details. Next, go to Purchase History and you'll see a list of everything you've bought. Find the game you want to refund and click on it. Now scroll down and click I would like a refund. Then choose I'd like to request a refund again. Here you can pick where you want the refund to go, either your Steam wallet or your original payment method. You can also write a short reason if you want. And remember, refunds usually work if the game was bought less than 14 days ago and played for under 2 hours. For example, I pick EAFC 26, but I've owned it for over 14 days and played more than 2 hours. The refund will likely be denied. Once you're ready, click Submit Request. That's it. Steam will review your request and email you when it's approved. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.